Hooray!
I would like to speak about Kisbalaton, which means small Balaton, which is a large wetland which is located on the western part of Lake Balaton in Hungary, and its shape formed by the main tributary of Lake Balaton, River Zala. Kisbalaton, with its area of 14,750 acres, has an uninterrupted water wildlife. Its extremely diverse habitats can be described more than 30 plants of association. This diversity of the vegetation of the Kisbalaton can offer many different habitats for the animals. So, more than 2,030 bird species can be observed in this area, and among which 38 are highly protected. Kisbalaton has been a nature protection area since 1951. Now it belongs to the Balaton Upland National Park. Kisbalaton has been under the protection of Landschap Protection Convention since 1979, and it belongs to the Natura 2000 Habitat Network also. Let's come back a little bit to history. At 2,000 years ago, at this time the water level was, Lake Balaton was much higher, with 2-3 meters than nowadays. The river level lost in the marsh varied by these reed stands and open water surfaces, but this water reached Lake Balaton properly filtered by this natural marsh of Kisbalaton basin. The existence and the shape of this wetland was dependent on the water level of Lake Balaton and the prevailing water conditions. With the construction of Siola in 1863, then the completion of the South Spillway, the wetland became blocked from the lake. In the first part of the 19th century, the water level of the lake lowered in several depths, which caused of the higher area of the Balaton basin dried out. The draining of the Kisbalaton in 1922 also reflects the nature of a heavy flow. So, as a consequence of the regulation of Kisbalaton and the other surrounding marshes, you can see on the map, lost the function of the protecting the water quality of Lake Balaton. And I would like to speak about a little bit of Kisbalaton water protection system. As a consequence of the regulation, the Balaton and the other surrounding marshes lost their function of protecting the water quality of Lake Balaton. It was strengthened by the consequence of civilization, for example, intensive agriculture, chemicalization, increasing urbanization, developing and spreading of holiday resorts in this region. This altogether resulted in the significant deterioration of quality of waters entering Lake Balaton. These undesirable changes of water quality, algaism, siltation, eutrophication were most pronounced in the western part of Lake Balaton. Between 1917 and 1918. This test made the Western Trans-Danube District Water Authority to work out the concept of the Kisbalaton water protection system. Construction of the Kisbalaton water protection system is envisaged to be completed in 2 steps. The first stage, the Kisbalaton was constructed between 1981 and 1984. But the second stage, The scientific point haven't finished yet. So the development conception tended at the second stage to harmonizing the interest of water, the protection of the water quality of Lake Balaton, the interest of protection and increasing the natural and ecological values, and the interest of decreasing the risk of floods. The Kis-Balaton project was preliminary feasibility study was made by the TASO 2007 consortium. The consortium made a forum. It was a very important in our work, but was composed of different kinds of experts, engineers, economists, civil organizations, and delegates of the affected municipalities for the conciliation of different kinds of interests. We had many meetings together with the national park experts and the engineers, and so it was sometimes very hard, not really discussion, because the interest of this area would not really come together. So, according to the proposed solution, which is absolutely not absolutely different of the first proposed solution after a year, the water level of the Kis-Balaton will depend on the natural water level fluctuation of Zala River, raising with this prosperous environmental conditions of the flora and the fauna living on the wetland, as well as giving possibilities to adaptable regulation of the water quality protection. So we are working on and on. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.